I'm 23 years old, I just graduated from university, and I am now an engineer in the mining industry. It's my first full-time job, and I'm already onto something big. Really big.
This is one of the largest earthen dams in North America. It's over 150 meters high and 3 kilometers long. This is a huge feat of engineering.
A career in mining has given me the chance to work on some very large-scale projects, including the dam and others. I wouldn't be able to have such an important role in some of Canada's biggest engineering projects if I had started my career with a consultant or in some other industry. Not a chance. As a civil engineer, I work in the mill engineering department at the mine. My tasks vary from day to day, but what I really enjoy is going out in the field to inspect all the jobs that I am involved with, including the construction of the tailings dams.
Tailings ponds hold what's left over after we extract the copper and moly and other precious metals from the ore. The tailings are pumped from the mill to the tailings pond where the ore is allowed to settle out and the water is reclaimed and reused.
The dams on the mine property, all 15 of them, are used in some way to control the flow of water. With such a water-intensive milling process, we use the dams to collect and store as much water as possible for later use. The tailings dams are also used to keep the tailings from being released into the nearby streams, rivers, and lakes. There are also many more infrastructure projects associated with the mine, including roads, bridges, pipelines, and buildings that I have to help build and maintain. And there are more than 150 pumping stations. These stations pump the tailings from the mill to the tailings ponds and water to our reservoir. It's at these stations where I measure flows and levels. I've helped set up a new hydrology program to monitor the quality of water we are releasing to the environment. If the sulfate levels get too high, then the water must be captured and not released into the environment.
Actually, making sure our operations are environmentally friendly is more than just part of my job description. It's part of my everyday life. I love being able to work outdoors.
And I love the freedom that a career in mining gives me to enjoy nature.
I plan on staying in mining, learning more, building my career. I know I may have just started out, but I think I'm on to something big.